Hi guys, welcome back to Evans Stretch Fitness. Today we'll be doing beginner home workout, fat burning workout. Any beginner overweight can do this workout. So we'll be working on Bumpy today. So she's a lady of today, so I'll be having a session with her. We're going to have 10 exercises, which we're going to repeat 4 times. So first round, each round is gonna take you 8 minutes. So if you wanna go 4 or 3 rounds of this workout, it will take you more than 35 minutes. So don't tell me you don't have time to work out. So you ready? All right, let's go hit it. So we're gonna start with jumping jack, which we're gonna go a little bit. So no more intense because it's for beginners. So we can go. All right, let's go. Hit the button, go. Let's go.
Pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder,
Running 30 seconds is like no forever.
Try to do it like me, better do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious and accomplished to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Alright, we're gonna go right there. Alright, let's go. Alright, the next one is shoulder tap. We go from here on a hand plank position. In this row. Come on, yeah. Let's go. Good job. Alright, the next one is a high squat. Not everybody able to go deep down. Remember, it's a beginner. So we're gonna go right, drop it, 60 degree to 70 degree, and up. Let's go. Good Alright, because it's a beginner workout, we're gonna be doing high jumping squat. Right? Because of the body weight, we'll take it low. In. Land with your toes. Alright, the next one is called bear crawl hold. So we're gonna stay in the bear crawl position, right there, and hold. Just up, my tight. Let's go. Drop your knee. Good job. Drop your head in line with your back. Good. Awesome. Good job. Alright guys, the next one is gonna be escape without a rope. On your toes. Just go. Push. Switch leg. Let's go. Keep the hand moving. Alright, the next one is called back dog. So we can stay right here, knee to elbow, left to right to left, squeeze. So, what? One at a time. Let's go. Good job. Alright, the next one is called squat with a knee strike. Right? Normally you want to do that, you want to go all the way 90 degrees, but because it's a beginner, we're going to go from here, tack, tack, tack. Come on, girl, let's go. Keep your elbow in your chest. Alright guys, that is round one. And this round one takes us 8 minutes. Alright? So no excuse of no time. We don't need time, we don't have time. Here's the time. 8 minutes is all you need. Repeat 3 to 4 times. That was a session with Bumpy. I want to use this opportunity to let you guys know that I do phone call, group, fitness training, company, school, events. I'm always available. So don't hesitate to contact me. It is 9:30 now, and I just have a session with Bumpy, which I'm glad I'm able to assist, and she is happy with the session, and that is exactly how I want you to be happy. So there is no time that is too late or too early. 5 a.m. is a hit at the door. So let's do this. So don't hesitate to contact me. That is my job. Personal trainer, group fitness instructor. I'm at your call. Anytime, any place, anywhere. Evans here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and lastly, don't forget to leave your comment. Hope to see you tomorrow. Enjoy your